Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need level 20 fishing skill and a functioning rod. Once confirmed, fast travel to the Azure Lagoon waypoint and approach the northern jetty. Make sure you have 5 bait and at least 1 special lure in your inventory. These increase the spawn chance for lagoon species. Begin by equipping the lure, cast lightly toward lily clusters, and wait for subtle bobbing. That indicates the Azure Lagoon bite pattern. Once done, follow the specific catch routine. Cast short into lily clusters or near submerged ruins where Azure Lagoon fish spawn. You'll see 3 quick tugs followed by a longer, stronger pull. That sequence signals the correct species. Time your hook press about 1.2 seconds after the long pull, then quick reel to reduce line slack. If heavy resistance appears, hold tension rather than reeling. Alternate quick reels and holds until the fish tires. To finish, net the fish within the final catch window to receive the Azure Lagoon rod reward. If you miss, don't panic. The spawn resets after about 5 minutes, so switch your bait type or move a short distance and return to speed up respawn. Make sure to fish during clear nights when spawn chance rises roughly 20%. If line breaks frequently, lower tension and upgrade your line. That removes most common failures and gets you the rod faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.